I have spray tanned many clients over the years, so I wanted to share with you my secrets on how to get a professional, streak-free, natural-looking tan. First, prep is a big one. This can make or break your tan. So the night before you plan to apply your fake tan, exfoliate your whole body, paying special attention to the knees, elbows, wrists and ankles where the tan likes to settle more. The next day, moisturize again only in these areas, as moisturizer can act as a barrier if applied everywhere, but it's great for the dry areas so it doesn't soak up as much fake tan. That evening, again, moisturize these key areas and then tan away. Start from your feet and work upwards. Now the Coco and Eve mousse in medium is a firm favourite of mine because it applies easily when teamed with the velvet mitt, and it also dries quickly and you don't smell like a biscuit the next morning. Now when applying the tan, guys, also work in upward strokes as best as you can. After application, wash your hands carefully and apply, yes, more moisturizer, just a tiny bit in those key areas to blend everything out. For the face, I love the Coco and Eve brush to blend in their bronzing face drops with moisturizer. It's dense enough that it distributes the mixture evenly, but don't forget to blend this out through your hairline, ears and neck. Finally, use the remainder on the brush to lightly buff and blend over your feet and hands, and you guessed it, just apply one last tiny bit of moisturizer over your hands and feet and also the ankles, just to ensure a natural looking tan. Sleep overnight and wash off the next day and you are good to go with a flawless looking natural tan.